Hi everybody, I'm floating in the air because of I have 1,000 subscribers. Let's try to create this slide and see how it looks like. I'm gathering money for buying a new microphone, but not for now. Let's try to create it. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide we need to create this slide, but this slide have a little problem. Let's start. At first this is an overdrive sunset font and nothing special, so there's sunset and we color each part with the field we want. Let's color it blue, for example, and let's select this thing and color it. I think it has a great contrast with that. Okay, now we need to insert two shapes, but before that I add a new slide. In the new slide I'm going to create a rectangle from here to here. Okay, it's good. Now I need to remove the outline and set the shape field to the color we used there. This blue, okay, it's good. Now the important thing is that after we changing the color, we need this thing. We copy that, paste it here, bring it up, select it and make it the color yellow. Okay, it's good. Now we copy the text, paste it here. It's looking very amazing. Let's make the text white. We copy this slide another time, change the colors. We set the color to this color and also change this color to the blue. We have dark blue and we change the text. Let me just change the text. Paste it here. Okay, it's ready. We select all of them and go to shape format and group them as a group. And here we select all of them and group them as a one group. Okay, it's ready. Now what we do, we copy this group and paste it here and bring it out. Okay, it's good. And copy this group, paste it here and bring it out. You see, but we need to we need to align them to these parameters for them to look great. Okay, and this is also here. It's good. Now we have these two slides, but the problem is that I'm going to delete them, these two, and copy this slide. And when we are copying this slide, I'm going to bring this in. Okay, and I'm going to here and bring this in and set the transition to morph. Let's see what we created. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments and ask me if you need anything, and you can also do some modification. For example, here we can send this out and bring this front. We can do some work if you like. Okay, until the next time.